You are going to love the 2021 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, wheel covers, remote trunk release, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.